Now, the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers just released the figures or the new energy sales figures for the month of December, and I see on the screen you'll notice that China saw new energy vehicle sales reaching a record of 1,596,000 for the month of December, and this was contributing 40.9% of the total vehicle sales in China of 31,436 units. This includes the exports, and again it shows you that China continues to see their new energy vehicle market grow, and the more this market grow is the more we are going to see companies like NIO continuing to do very well, which is very important, or which is the one of the catalysts when you are investing onto the EV stocks like NIO or Chinese EV stocks like NIO, because the more this market grows is the more we are going to see companies like NIO doing very well. I mean, this very same China Association of Automobile Manufacturers said that this year in total they expect total cars to be sales in China or to be sold in China to reach 32.9 million units, and out of that 16 million units are expected to be new energy vehicles, which means that it's almost 50% of the total sales that China is expected to generate this year. Mind you, last year total sales or annual sales or new energy vehicle sales in China was sitting at 12,866,000 as of the end of December. And seeing that right now this China Association of Automobile Manufacturers are expecting 16 million units, it simply means that they are expecting new energy vehicle sales to grow or increase in China by plus 3.1 million, which comes back now to what or to where Deutsche Bank was also expecting. You know that last week we were talking about what Deutsche Bank said when it comes to this new energy vehicle market, where they said that they are also expecting sales to grow by 3 million, which seeing that this China Association of Automobile Manufacturer also is coming and support the 3 million, it again shows you that we need to expect some pretty good decent things coming from our favorite EV stocks like NIO, because if the market is expected to grow by 3 million, it means that we can expect even NIO sales to do very well. NIO this year, you know that they are targeting to sell around 450 to over 500,000 vehicles, and based on the actual figures, actual numbers they gave us, NIO is expecting to sell 508,000 if I'm to be exact, based off what they said, or based off what they gave us, based off what they gave Goldman Sachs. They are expecting to sell, of course, 508,000, because for the NIO main brand they're expecting to sell around 218,000 vehicles this year. For the NIO sub brand Onvo, they're expecting to sell 220,000, and finally for the Firefly sub brand they're expecting to sell 50,000 deliveries, which combined those, you'll notice that they're going over 500,000. So seeing this kind of growth in China, it's bullish, man, onto NIO or onto EV stocks like NIO, and it makes me to just want to load the boat, because at the end of the day I think this will play a huge role into seeing companies like NIO do well this year. I mean, Deutsche Bank, their estimate of saying that they are seeing 3 million new sales coming onto the new energy vehicles to add to the plus 12 million we saw last year. It's simply because of the subsidies that China announced that they are extending them even this year, meaning that even this year we are to expect the Chinese subsidies, those that they were offering onto NIO of 20,000 RMB when you swap your old car for a new car or for a new energy vehicle car. You are still going to get, or they are still going to give out those subsidies, which is something that will really stimulate the kind of sales that EV stocks like NIO generate on a month to month, which is something that is great, something that is amazing. And boy, I must say, I cannot wait to see the kind of sales that NIO will be generating on a month to month, because if NIO wants to generate 100% or see plus 100% growth, it means that each and every month NIO must try to break the deliveries or double the deliveries which they generate last year, of which when you look this month of January, NIO just had 10,000 deliveries, right, in January of last year. So any number over 20,000, it's a good sign. It gives us a good sign to say that we can expect, or we are to expect, great things, great numbers coming from NIO. NIO is on target. NIO is progressing well to deliver or to see their sales doubling by over 100%, which will be so great, so amazing. And like I said, I think we're going to see around 25,000, which that will just be so great to see NIO being able to achieve that. And with that, I think we should just brace ourselves for what is coming, and we should brace ourselves for the kind of sales that we will see coming from NIO. Because yes, I see other new energy vehicle car companies, but my money is on NIO, and it is for this reason that I will talk about NIO, because I'm not investing into XPeng, I'm not investing into Lioro. My money is on NIO, and it is for that reason that I continue talking about NIO, because I know NIO. It's a company which is set for greatness. I know NIO. It's a company that will take us to the next level. Financial freedom, it's going to come for us because of NIO. NIO is going to print money for us, which is something that obviously, as we are investing, loading the boat, I believe that we shall be rewarded. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Do your own due diligence. Don't forget to hit the likes button, as it takes me some time to make these videos, and all I ask from you is that if you enjoy the content, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I talk every day, all day about NIO, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. I'll see you on the next video, and God bless you all.